Hi everyone, I hope you guys are well and you're remaining safe. I'm coming on with a word of encouragement, and the word of encouragement is the God of restoration. Life has a way of leaving us feeling broken, empty, or like too much has been lost to ever be whole again. But the beautiful truth is this: our God is a God of restoration. He doesn't just patch things up, He makes them new, better, and stronger than before. Joel 2:5 says, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. That means God has the power to redeem lost time, missed opportunities, and even the pain you thought would define you forever. When we look at the cross, we see the greatest act of restoration. The brokenness of humanity restored through the love of Christ. And that same resurrection power is at work in your life right now. So even if you feel like things are falling apart, remember this: God is not finished with your story. He restores broken hearts, broken dreams, and broken seasons. What you thought was lost, He can rebuild. What you thought was dead, He can breathe life into it again. Trust the process, even if it feels slow. Your restoration may not look exactly like the past. It may be even better. Because when God restores, He adds beauty, strength, and purpose to the very place that were once torn down. Hold on to hope, because the God of restoration is at work in you, and your best days are still ahead. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Go in peace and be blessed.